When you look for Timex watches, everything seems to blend together. Same features, same claims, same photos. But if you want to find the ones that actually stand out and serve your needs, you need to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Ironman Triathlon Classic 30. We have the men's Ironman Triathlon Classic 30. If you're looking for a no-fuss sports watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this one's priced at just $49.94. This watch caught my attention because of its sporty design and functionality. If you want a reliable companion through your workouts, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The Ironman Triathlon Classic 30 has a 30-lap memory recall, ideal for tracking your performance during training sessions. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, which means you can swim with it without worrying. The large, easy-to-read display is perfect for quick glances when you're on the move. Honestly, it's designed to withstand the elements, and with over 4,000 sold in the past month, people clearly trust it. However, I've seen some people mention that the strap can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, once you break it in, it's generally comfortable. So if you're after a watch for intense activities, this might not bother you. This is perfect for you if you're an athlete or just someone who loves outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for a formal watch or something more stylish. At this price, it's a solid buy for what it offers. Now, if the Ironman stiffness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Expedition Scout 40mm. The men's Expedition Scout 40mm, priced at $39.98. This rugged outdoor watch grabbed my attention with its classic, durable design and functionality. If you're looking for something that can tackle the elements while keeping you stylish, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Expedition Scout features a durable fabric strap that's easily adjustable, so it fits comfortably on your wrist. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear, even if you accidentally splash it. The Indiglow backlight is a nice touch, allowing you to read the time in low-light conditions. With over 2,000 sold this past month, it's clear this watch is popular among those who appreciate its ruggedness. Now, some people have said that the fabric strap can wear out over time, but here's the thing. If you treat it well, it can last a long time. It's a fantastic choice for adventurers and casual wear alike, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities or just want a reliable everyday watch. Skip this one if you prefer a more formal style. For the price, you're getting great value here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something easier to read.
Product number 3, Expedition Digital Cat 5. The list is the men's Expedition Digital Cat 5, which comes in at $35.04. This one caught my eye because it offers a digital display for those who prefer a modern look. If you're after something straightforward that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The digital display makes it incredibly easy to read the time at a glance, which is a huge plus for those on the go. It's also built to be durable, and with 2,000 already sold this month, it seems to be a popular pick. The watch is designed for outdoor use, with features like a stopwatch and alarm to keep you on track during your adventures. However, some users have pointed out that the buttons can be a bit tricky to press, especially if you're wearing gloves. But honestly, for an outdoor watch, that's something you can get used to pretty quickly. This is perfect for you if you want a practical watch with digital features. Skip this one if you really prefer an analog style. Given its price, it offers solid functionality for everyday use. Now, if the button issue seemed like a hassle, the next product might surprise you with its simplicity.
Product number 4, Easy Reader Watch. We have the men's Easy Reader Watch for $47.92. This one really stood out to me because of its clean, legible design. If you want a classic watch that's easy to read, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Easy Reader features a bright, clear dial with Arabic numerals, making it incredibly easy to tell the time at a glance. Plus, the Indiglow backlight is perfect for reading in the dark, which is a nice bonus. With a genuine leather strap, it's comfortable to wear and adds a touch of elegance. It's water-resistant up to 30 meters too, so it can handle daily wear without fuss. Now, some users have mentioned that the leather strap can be a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, after some time it breaks in nicely. So if you're looking for a straightforward watch, this is definitely a great option. This is perfect for you if you value clarity and simplicity in a timepiece. Skip this one if you're after something more sporty.
Considering its features, it's a worthwhile investment. All right, that brings us to the last product, which is a great alternative for those who want a bit more durability. Product number 5, Expedition Acadia 40mm. We have the men's Expedition Acadia 40mm, priced at $41.74. This watch caught my attention because of its classic look and rugged build. If you want a durable watch that still has style, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Acadia features a black dial with large Arabic numerals, making it easy to read at any time. It's designed for outdoor use with a water resistance of up to 50 meters and a comfortable adjustable strap, fitting wrists up to 8 inches. The Indiglo light-up dial ensures you can read the time even in low light, which is super handy for nighttime adventures. With over 1,000 sold this past month, it's clearly a popular option. However, a few users have mentioned that the acrylic crystal can scratch more easily than glass. But here's the thing, if you're careful, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who want a watch that can handle life's adventures. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable watch for everyday wear or outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra sophisticated. At this price point, it's a great value for what you get. So we've covered 5 fantastic Timex watches today. From the sporty Ironman Triathlon to the elegant Easy Reader, there's something for everyone's style and needs. Whether you're an athlete, an adventurer, or someone who just wants a reliable watch, each option brings its own unique benefits. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.